Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's February 16, 2026. A UC Berkeley graduate student was found dead near Lake Anza, prompting an active investigation as the campus community mourns the tragic loss. Nikhil Gupta has pleaded guilty in a US case involving a plot to murder Sikh separatist Gurpatwant Singh Pannon, marking a major development in a high-profile international investigation. A grand jury has filed an 11-count indictment against Ashley Tellis, detailing multiple charges in an expanding legal case. Chakrabarti has launched a long-shot bid for Nancy Pelosi's congressional seat, calling for sweeping changes in Democratic leadership. At a Silicon Valley gathering, the India-US trade framework put tech tariffs and skilled talent mobility in sharp focus, underscoring the deal's impact on innovation hubs. The US and India have announced an interim trade agreement, though debates continue over tariffs and energy-related conditions. Analysts say India's latest budget aims to position the country as a global biopharma powerhouse, boosting research, manufacturing, and global competitiveness. A new valuation debate asks whether Waymo is truly worth $126 billion, as the autonomous vehicle sector faces intense scrutiny. Workday has named co-founder Anil Bhusri as CEO, signaling a leadership reset at the enterprise software giant. The GOP has selected Saritha Komathireddy for a high-profile showdown against New York Attorney General Letitia James. In Parsippany, Pulkit Desai begins a new era after winning by just 80 votes, signaling a tightly contested political shift. A new health feature explores constipation in the desk job era, offering practical strategies for adults facing sedentary lifestyle challenges. An Indian-American candidate is challenging the incumbent in Michigan's 56th district, setting up a closely watched local race. Nirav Shah has been named to the Washington Post's Post Next 50 Inches list, recognizing emerging leaders shaping the future. Dr. Anil Kumar has entered Michigan's congressional race outside the traditional two-party system, presenting himself as an independent alternative. The Maitri Youth Convention spotlighted emotional well-being and community support, bringing together young voices for dialogue and empowerment. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.